The Rode Wireless Go might be the very best wireless microphone that you can possibly get. Everything fits inside this tote bag. Now the first one, it comes with a charging case like this, and look how tiny this is. It comes with 2 receivers, which I really love, because when shooting weddings, you want to put a microphone on the groom and you also want to put a microphone on the officiant. This Rode Go comes with a metal back with a magnet. If I don't have time to go run and put the lapel mic on them, I just simply put it on the microphone itself. You could put it behind a shirt and then attach it and it'll stick. Comes with, of course, your 3.5 TRS cable that goes to your camera. The ability to connect this to your iPhone, your Android, your computer. It comes with a dead cat that could go on top of transmitter, which is amazing for super windy days. You twist to lock it in. It has a little hook on the side, so that way when you put it on the shirt itself, you could twist it and put the wire onto that little hook. It can also record internally, 32-bit. It captures so much information that if someone speaks too loud and your audio peaks, you could recover the audio without damaging the audio. This will last you about 7 hours. Internal battery. Since your case is also a charger, you could plug it back in. It'll last about 21 hours. Back button of your receiver that's on your camera. When I press it, it will automatically start recording internally. Just as backup, I always have it internally recording as well. I'm gonna have the link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much.